Hey guys, so I'm making this video to show you how to make the little boxes for my paper box column, storage column. So it's just simple paper box. I'm going to show you. So you can get, this is an 8.5 inch by 11 inch piece of paper. This is what we get in North America, so it's normal printer paper. And you can make two boxes out of a single sheet of paper. So the first thing we're going to do is make a normal square. So an 8.5 by 8.5 square, and how I'm going to do that is I'm going to fold it in half like this. And I got a pen here just to square off the corners, my folds. So I got something like this, and then I'm going to take this part, fold it in half again. Oh, sorry, fold it down again. Something like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I don't know. It's what I want to make it out of. Okay, so now we don't need this top part, so I'm just going to cut it off, and I'll be left with this square. So, one sec. So I got my square left and this long piece. We don't need this piece anymore, so we can just toss that away. So now we're left with this square. So we're going to fold it again, another diagonal. So fold back. So it looks something like this. And now we're going to fold it in half lengthwise. Again. Like this. And one more time like this. Okay. So now we have one piece. So to make two boxes, we're going to have to cut this line down in half. So I'll cut that in half and I'll be right back. So in here I have the two individual pieces. Now to make one box we only need one half of this. So I'm just going to toss this to the side. I'll make a second box later. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make one square out of this. So what we're going to do is fold this up until it meets the line. So just like this. I'm going to make it pronounced. I want to pronounce the... yeah. And I'm going to do it one more time. Okay, there we go. So now I'm going to fold these corners in, and since we made the two diagonal corners before, each side does have a fold already, so you can fold it in. So I'm just going to start with these. Just going to follow the fold that already exists on every single one of these folds. So here, 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 and here. And I'm just going to use my pen to make these folds a little better. Okay, so now I'm at this step. So what I'm going to do is fold these sides over. Just like this. And like this. And then I'm going to open it back up. So back up this step. And I'm going to fold the other sides in. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. It does look nicer if it is perfect, though, so, like most things. Okay, so now we're at this step where we're done all our folds. So what we're going to do is open two sides up, like this. We're going to fold these back in on itself, like this. And we're going to make a pen, and we're going to make these folds a little better. Now we're going to open up one time. Now these two sides are going to be the side of the boxes, and these two sides are going to fold up. So we're going to fold up. While we're folding up, we're going to push these sides in and fold these little ear things back. So just like this. And then after that, we're going to fold this top piece back and fold the entire thing back down. And then we're going to take this piece and fold it down with it. And then we can make sure our folds are nice and tight here. And you might need to massage it a little bit just to get everything into place. Then we do the same thing for this side. And there you go, the little paper box I use for my storage. Now, you get 2 out of these, 2 boxes out of a single piece of paper, and this thing holds 7 of them. And these boxes will work for any version of the paper box holder I make. And that's the end of this video. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, I appreciate it. If you like this video, check out my main channel, Tabletop Robotics. Links down below and always in the end screen card. I'll see you next time. Bye.